Acholi. Let me not say only Acholi, Luo and the entire Ugandans. 2024 is over. Tomorrow will be 2025. A message to the members of parliament and all political leaders. Your term is over. Your term is over. Whatever you have been doing, you have already done. The people already know. Whatever you have not done is also known. Whatever you will start doing in 2025 will be seen as a political move, and it is true. Oh, gathering for crusades, having thanksgiving, giving people money, talking charlock, pachuli, parables, proverbs, pachuli, wing, speaking it, explaining why you did not achieve something, to defend yourself. Donating saucepans, donating handkerchiefs to the women, donating NOs, bringing seeds or seedlings, everything. If you are not done in the previous years from 2021 to 2024, the time is over, and everything you do in 2025, if you had not been doing before, is a lie, is a political seeking thing. Those who supported Banyankole, those who kept quiet on the issue of Karmojong, those who kept quiet on the issue of Northern Syndrome disease, those who played games at the Chuli regional parliamentary setting in Gulu, all those nonsense and quagmire, whatever thing you try to do good in 2025, mark this, the people already know you're just seeking for re-election. But one thing I will tell you, you'll be too late.